Hey guys, this is Shashmita. Welcome to Science Warrior YouTube channel. If you want to learn science in simplest and easiest way, then subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Today we are going to learn the new topic and the topic name is Health, the Ultimate Treasure. This chapter belongs to the 8th class Ncert Science. If you want to take short note or if you want to learn that chapter in easiest way, you can take screenshot or you have to write down the important lines. So basically, this chapter is belongs to the 8th class NCERT Science short notes. Let's start the topic. So the first question is, what is health? Health means being free from disease and feeling physically, mentally, and socially well. That means if you are being free from disease and feeling well mentally, physically, and socially, that means you have good health. A healthy person has a strong and active body, a peaceful and happy mind, and positive relationship with others. Health is not just the absence of illness, it is a state of complete well-being in body, mind, and society. What happens when you don't have a strong and active body? Can you play well? Can you read well? Do you communicate with friends properly? No. So it is very necessary to have a strong and active body because an active body maintain your physical exercise. You can read, you can write, you can playing well. So it is very necessary to maintain a healthy body. A peaceful and happy mind. What are those? A peaceful mind, that means you don't have any anger issue, you are not sad, you are very enthusiastic to learn anything, and you are very happy in mind. You feel loved, you make laugh your friends, you behave properly in society. So these things are belongs to the peaceful and happy mind. Positive relationship with others, that means you have good behave with your elders, your parents, and your friends. You make them laugh and also they make you laugh, and you behave properly with them. So it is a state of complete well-being in body, mind, and society. Being is component of health, that is physical health, mental health, and social health. What is physical health? Physical health, totally our body parts are moving in right way. That means total body parts are functioning in right way. It totally depends on the physical health. If our health is not good, then we can't playing game, we can't read, we can't write properly. Similarly, in mental health, that means our mental condition. We are not sad, we are not in grief, we are not in demotivated state. Mental health means we feel love, we feel love from our inner side and our outer side. We are in peace. We don't have any problems related to our mental state. That means we are not in stress, we are not in angry mood. Social health, that means we properly maintain our friends, relatives, and parents, and we behave properly with our elders, with our friends, and we help others in their problems. We help each other in their problems. We are playing with each other. We are doing all work with each other. We share our sad moments and good moments and bad moments with each other. So it's all belongs to the social health. Why is health important? Good health helps us study, play, enjoying life to the fullest. Poor health can cause tiredness and sickness, making it hard to do the things we love. When we are healthy, we can achieve our dreams, perform well in school, and help others too. Health truly is our greatest treasure. So, health is very important for us. Why? Because if our health is not good, then we can't study properly, we can't play well, we can't enjoy our life. Poor health causes stress, tiredness, and sickness, and it is very affected to ourselves, also our loved ones. What happens when our health is good? We can achieve our dreams, perform well in school. We help others, each others too. So it is very necessary to maintain our health. The next topic is factor affecting health, that is environment, lifestyle, and heredity. Environment, that means the surrounding area of ourselves, the surrounding area in which we are lived. It affects us. In a noise area, we can't study, we can't live properly. But in a less noise area, we can live there properly. Similarly, in a good environment, we can develop ourselves. But in a bad environment, we can motivate ourselves. So environment has a vital role in our growth and development. Lifestyle, that means if we can't maintain our food, our exercise, our sleeping time, our working time, then we did not maintain a routine, then it affects our health. If we did not sleep at a particular time and did not wake up morning at a typical time, then what happened? We miss our school, we missing our study. So it is very important to maintain the routine, maintain the lifestyle. If we did not take the hygienic food or we always take the junk food, what happen? We have many health issues. So it's very necessary to maintain a good lifestyle. Then heredity. What is heredity? Heredity defined as the parental quality which is performed in our body. Some people are very obsessed with junk food. Similar thing happens to their child also. They also very obsessed to junk food. Why? Because it's their genetic quality. If some parents have anger issue, then their children have also mental stress and they also face the same problem in the developing stage. So some qualities are present within us through our parents. It is very necessary to maintain properly. Otherwise, those factors affecting our health and our health condition worsen day by day. Okay. So the next topic is importance of hygiene. Good hygiene keep germs away and protect our health. If we can't maintain the hygiene, then what happened? Then the microorganisms, bacteria are attack us. Why they attack us? For their food. They attack us and we are suffering from disease. And they live inside us. They eat our food. So it is very necessary to maintain a hygiene. How to maintain a hygiene? How to maintain the hygiene? Wash hands regularly before eating and after using toilet. Keep surroundings clean. Tidy home. Clean school. No garbage. Stay personally clean. Bath daily. Keep nails and hair clean. Simple hygiene habits prevent disease and keep us feeling fresh and healthy every day. The next topic is balanced diet, fuel for health. A balanced diet gives our body the right nutrients to grow and stay healthy. Include these in every meal. If we don't take the balanced diet, what happen? If we did not measure the diet, then what happen? Maybe the measurements are increasing or decreasing, or it is equal to our body effect also. That means if we take high amount of carbohydrates, it increase our sugar level. If we take high amount of fatty acids or fats, then it increases our cholesterol level. So it is very necessary to maintain a balanced diet. That means in a diet in which proteins are present, carbohydrates are present, fats are present, vitamins and minerals are present, dairy is present, but They are present in a proper ratio. Otherwise, it affect our health. Proteins that helps in developing proteins. It is used for muscles. Example as eggs, dal, milk. Carbohydrates used for energy, that is rice, bread, wheat. Fats used for warmth, that is nuts, ghee. Vitamins and minerals for immunity, that is fruits and vegetables. Dairy used for strong bones. That means if you want to maintain a good health, you have to maintain your food plate also. You have to maintain the ingredient, that is protein, carbohydrate, fats and vitamins also. Role of exercise in health. What happens when we are doing exercise? We take oxygen more and more, that regulates our body cycles, that regulates our cell cycle. And if we take more and more oxygen inside the body, it regulates our blood sugar level. So it is very necessary to do exercise for 30 to 45 minutes in our daily life. So, what is the role? Exercise keeps our body strong and fit. It helps your heart and lungs work well, giving you more energy every day. Regular physical activity reduces stress and keeps your mind fresh and focused. Activities like running, cycling, playing in outdoors are great ways to stay healthy and happy. When we are playing with our friends, we are feeling happy, we are feeling joy. That means we get the mental peace, we get the mental satisfaction. Also, we take more and more oxygen, which regulates our body parts. Our body movements are increasing. That's why we maintain a good physical health, good mental health, and good social health. So, it has a vital role for the good health. Mental health and emotional well-being. What is mental health and emotional well-being? Mental health is just as important as physical health. Here is what keeps us emotionally strong. That means mental health, we feel the joy, we feel the sorrow, we feel sad, we feel motivated, we feel demotivated. All things are belongs to the mental health. When we are sitting near of our loved ones, we feel joy, we feel happiness. It's about the mental health. Emotional well-being, that means we have to do care of our loved ones or our parents. If your mother is sick and you are ordering them to make a particular food, is that emotional well-being? No. You have to understand that your mother is sick and they can't make properly for you food. So it's about the emotional well-being. If your friend feeling sad or feeling sorrow, you have to give some sympathetic message. After that, maybe he feel well. It's about the emotional well-being. So, emotional well being, that is feeling happy and relaxed every day, talking to friends and family when feeling low, managing stress with hobbies and play. Positive thoughts help us stay mentally strong, expressing emotion in healthy ways. So, it's all about the mental health and emotional well being. Common disease and prevention. We have many common diseases. That is, as example, we take cold and cough, fever, headache. Uh, it's all about very common. So cold and cough spread by germs through air and touch. Wash hands when cover your mouth when sneezing and avoid close contact with sick people. Malaria spread by mosquito bites. Using mosquito nets while sleeping removes stagnant water and wear protective clothing outdoors. Prevention, vaccination and cleanliness protect us from many diseases. Stay clean, eat well and get vaccinated on time. So these are all common disease And we have also many other common diseases like fever, like headache, like joint pain. These are very common nowadays. We have to take many precaution for this. So the next thing is simple hygiene practices. So we know before why hygiene is important. If we can't maintain the hygiene, then what happens? Bacteria are attackers, they're living inside us and they create diseases inside us, which is very harmful for us. So what will we do at that time? Wash hands before eating, after using the toilet. Use clean, safe drinking water every day. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Keep nails trimmed and hair clean. Brush teeth twice daily or oral hygiene. If you maintain this type of simple hygiene practices, then you can cure yourself from different kind of disease. Healthy habits in action. That is morning routine. Wake up and do morning exercise or stretching. Eat a nutritious breakfast, that is fruit, milk, eggs. Wash hands before eating. Brush teeth and stay clean. The second thing, throughout the day, drink plenty of clean water, eat balanced meal at proper times, play outdoors safely with friends, wash hands after play and before meals. Tips to maintain good health. Eat balanced meals with fruits, vegetables and grains. Exercise daily to keep your body strong and fit. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get enough sleep every night. Avoid junk food and smoking for a healthier life. Answer the following question to test what you have learned about the health. Write your answer in the space provided below each question. What are three components of health? Name two ways to keep good hygiene. Why is exercise important for our health? In this chapter, we learn about health, hygiene, mental health, emotional well-being, and how to take precaution in normal diseases. So you can learn anything. You can learn here about the health and hygiene. If you want to take short note, you can take the screenshot, or otherwise you can write the important thing on your note. Summary of key points. Physical well-being. Health means being physically fit, free from illness, and having a body that functions well every day. Hygiene and diet, that is good hygiene practices and a balanced diet with proteins, vitamins, minerals keep us strong and healthy. Exercise, daily exercise and mental care and cleanliness help prevent diseases and ensure overall well-being. And the last, health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, which is called by Buddha. Thank you. Stay healthy. Thank you for learning about the health. The ultimate result. Remember to practice healthy habits every day. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts, then you can comment below. If you want to learn any new chapter, then you can share your thoughts. So let's end the video. Thank you.